मैथमेटिक्स ICSE 2025 बोर्ड्स MCQ आंसर की। Question 1. Using this formula of discriminant, we get that the discriminant is less than 0, so there will be no real roots. Number 2. The P principal is given 500, N number of months given 18, and I interest is given as rupees 570. Using this formula of MV, P into N plus I, A will be the right option. The possibility of a sure event is 1 and the possibility of a impossible event is 0. So the probability of any event has to lie between 0 and 1. And since 5 by 4 is greater than 1, this will be the answer that cannot be the probability of any event. Question 4. This statement or equation can also be written as this, and from this one we get y equals m into x minus c, and m here we can take out is minus 3 by 4. Now using this equation of a line formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Since it is passing through the origin, y1 and x1 become 0 and 0. So y minus 0 is equal to m, which we got earlier, minus 3 by 4 into x minus 0, which can be evaluated as y equals minus 3 by 4 into x. 4 goes there and this whole equation goes there. We can write it as 3x plus 4y equals 0, which is the option D. A square means A into A. So the first row multiplied by the first column will get us the first element, which is 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. And so on, we can get the other elements. And the final answer will be 1, 0, 0, 1, which is in the option C. Since sum of linear pair of angles is 180, we can get the angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60. Now since angle A is equal to angle B, because of this triangle being isosceles, the angle A and B will be equal, which will be equal to 180 minus 60 degree, which will be 120. Having that, we get 60 and 60. ABCE quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle B plus angle E will be 180. 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. So the angle AEC will be 120, which is option D. 7. Solving x square minus 4, which can also be written as x square minus 2 square, we get x plus 2, x minus 2. Solving x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4, we get x minus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 2. The common factors here are x plus 2 and x minus 2. So both of options C and D will be correct. We can also check by putting the derived values of x from all of these options into the polynomials to check the remainder will be equal to 0 or not. 8. Return percent of MV is equal to dividend percent of NV. Return percent is given as 10% and dividend percent is given as 12 in the question. So 10% of MV is equal to 12% of NV. Sending 12 over there, 10% by 12% is equal to NV by MV. Now if we view this as a ratio and simplify it, we will get 5:6. 5 being NV and 6 being MV, value in the ratio. So since the ratio of MV is greater than the ratio of NV, the shares are above par. In these two statements, the point which is equidistant from three non-collinear points D, E and F is the circumcenter of triangle DEF, and statement 2, the incenter of a triangle is the point where the bisector of the angles intersects, are both true facts given in the books. So the answer will be A, both the statements are true. This given statement sin square A plus sin A is equal to 1 can be written as sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, and we know that 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. In this statement, cos square A is cos to the power 4a can be written as cos square A whole square plus cos square A. Now cos square A whole square, we see here cos square A is equal to sin A. Cos square A equals sin A. So cos square A can be written as sin A, and since there was a power of 2, the sin A becomes sin square A, and this cos square A with the same formula can be written as sin A. So sin square A plus sin A, and here we have in the question sin square A plus sin A is equal to 1. So sin square A plus sin A becomes 1, and the reason here. So this statement assertion is true, and 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A has been used by us in the former statement. So the reason is true. So the answer will be C. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct reason for A. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG given in the question, AB by BC is equal to EF by FG. AB is given as 15 centimeter and BC is given as 3 centimeter. EF here is given as 75 centimeter by FG. We have to find FG, so we'll put the variable here and all the rest here. 3 into 5 is equal to 15, so we get 5 here. 75 by 5 is equal to 15 centimeter, so the answer will be A, 15 centimeter. Volume of two spheres in the ratio 27 is to 64. So 27 by 64 is equal to volume of first sphere by volume of second sphere. 4 by 3 pi can be cut here during simplification. Then we are left with r cube by r cube, which can be written as r by r whole cube. And then the cube goes over here, which makes it under cube root. R by r is equal to under cube root 27 by 64. Cube root of 27, 3 and cube root of 64, 4. So the ratio will be 3:4. Option A. We know that CGST percentage is half of the percentage of GST. So GST becomes double of CGST, for double of 4%, which is equal to 8%. GST for this marked price will be 8% of 1375, which on calculation will be 110. The price of the article including the GST will be price of the marked price of the article plus GST, which will be equal to 1485. Option D. On solving the first part of this inequation and the second part of this inequation separately, we get that x is less than 0 and x is greater than -6. Greater than -6 means -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, but it is less than 0, so it will not go further than -1. So the option A will be correct. Mean of the first 9 natural numbers is 4.5. Let's check this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 by number of observations, that is 9, will be 45 by 9, which is equal to 4.5 on calculation. So the first statement, the assertion, is correct. And we have used this formula, which is the correct formula. So the reason will be correct. So the answer will be B. A is false, R is true. Number 15. Let's check the assertion. If the mean of... We know that CGST is half of the total GST. So the GST percentage will be double of 4%, which is equal to 8%. GST for this marked price will be 8% of 1375. On calculation, we get that it is rupees 110. The price of the article including GST will be the marked price plus GST, which is equal to 1485. Option D. 14. On calculating the first part and the second part of this inequation separately, we get that x is less than 0 and x is greater than 6. Greater than less 6. So the solution set will be A, less 5, less 4, less 3, less 2, less 1. 15. First, we have to check the assertion if the mean of the first 9 natural numbers is 4.5 or not. We will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and divide it by 9, that is the number of observations. 45 by 9. This will come as 5, which is not equal to 4.5 as given in the assertion. So the assertion is wrong. But we did use this formula and this is the correct formula. So answer will be B. A is false, R is true.